It's time to ask an expert, where we tackle everyday home improvement topics to help you better understand your home. Today, I'm with resident expert Greg Camter from Murray Lampert Design Build Remodel and Bob Briley from We Care Plumbing, Heating and Air.
How you doing?
Hey, glad to have you guys here today. So we're talking annual home maintenance. Let's start with one of the biggest areas that can cause damage, which is water intrusion. Greg?
Yes, and we're getting a ton of rain this year already, so it's really a good time to check out, have your roof inspected. Sump pumps, which is a pump that pumps water out, like in basements and even yard drainage, rain gutters, those kind of things should really be checked out.
Because water getting into your home can cause more damage than just about anything else. Are there any other ways that water can get in the home you might want to think about?
Well, yeah, definitely you could have plants that are too close to your house. The water gets into the plants and actually will start seeping into your house. Also, you don't want plants close to your house. You don't want rodents to go up on your roof or get into the entrances.
Or when it dries out for fire.
Fire, huge, I mean, especially when the season's going to be coming. You want to clear back a huge area off your house so that way the firemen can get in there and do what needs to be done.
So with water, anything that could be an intrusion, definitely the roof. If you don't know the last time your roof was inspected, it's too long ago, get it inspected, right?
Absolutely.
Let's move on from water to more structural things. What are some areas people need to...
Termites. Termites are huge. I mean, there is no season for termites. Termites are always here, and they're always going to be attacking your house. So you need to have a professional come out and start looking through your house and make sure there is no damage or potential damage.
Is that the same kind of a rule as as with roof inspections? If you don't know the last time you got one, it's time to get one?
Yes, definitely. I mean, over time, nails start backing out, staples start backing out, and they start protruding through the paper. The paper barrier is actually what protects your roof, and you want to make sure that is not ripped or torn.
Now, Greg, most companies, and definitely in our network, they're going to offer the termite inspections, also roof inspections free.
For sure, and I mean, you get an inspection, and then I recommend just having annual checkups, and what do you have to lose?
It's cheap insurance.
Exactly. What are some other things that can protect the structure of the home?
Well, in the long run, I mean, you definitely want to have your heating and air conditioning checked also because there could be a potential fire danger if something doesn't work properly.
Mm-hmm. Lastly, let's talk about safety quickly. What are some safety tips, Greg?
Well, definitely check your shutoff, your main water shutoff. That should be checked annually because if you do get a leak and you can't turn off the water, you're in trouble. And
also changing batteries and smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors is a huge thing.
It's huge. A lot of codes now are requiring a 10-year battery, so they're not a serviceable battery. It's actually a system, fire or smoke detector that goes in. That's a 10-year lifespan.
So I know that we're going to have this full list of all of these things, these plus many, many more, available for people to be able to get on ApprovedHomePros.com. So to get this full list of annual home maintenance tips, log on to ApprovedHomePros.com in the Show Extras section.